Year in Review, 2021's Top Cryptocurrency Stories. The cryptocurrency market had a record year in 2021, which briefly exceeded $3 trillion in November. The largest cryptocurrency by market value, Bitcoin, and Ether, the second largest, hit all-time highs, while altcoins, like dogecoin, gained popularity as well. Other digital assets, like non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, sold for millions of dollars alongside fine art in major auction houses like Sotheby's and Christie's. In addition to art, NFTs representing in-game assets and digital land soared in value as well. Both institutional and retail investors have become interested in blockchain-based applications, including decentralized finance, or DeFi, which has led to the growth of Web3. A decentralized version of the internet built on blockchain technology that powers NFTs and cryptocurrencies. In 2021, cryptocurrency entered the mainstream as a result of all of this. Here are the top stories in the crypto and blockchain world for 2021. Bitcoin surpassed $1 trillion in market value for the first time. On February 19, Bitcoin hit $1 trillion in market value for the first time. The milestone came after major institutional investors and notable financial companies began to support cryptocurrency earlier in the year. Companies including Tesla, Square, and MicroStrategy started to use their balance sheets to buy Bitcoin. Tesla made a huge splash when it added $1.5 billion in Bitcoin to its balance sheet. At one point, the company had generated more profits from owning BTC than it did from selling cars in the whole of 2020, at least on paper, that is. The total market cap of all cryptocurrencies exceed $2 trillion by April and briefly surpassed $3 trillion in value in November. Interest in NFTs exploded. When Mike Winkelmann, the artist known as Beeple, sold his piece called Every Days, the first 5,000 days, as an NFT in March, it was historic for a number of reasons. For one, the sale made Christie's the first major auction house to sell a fully digital, NFT-based piece of artwork. Also, for the first time, Christie's allowed Ether as payment for the artwork's principal price. And the $69.3 million sale price for the NFT was record-breaking at the time. This sale prompted mainstream coverage of NFTs that wasn't seen before. Overall in 2021, the NFT market had its best year yet, with over $23 billion in trading volume, a report by analytics platform DappRadar found. Blockchain-based metaverses had over $500 million in trading volume, and in-game assets represented as NFTs garnered $4.5 billion in trading volume. Elon Musk and Dogecoin. In May, just before Elon Musk made his Saturday Night Live debut, the price of Dogecoin began to spike. On May 8, the day of Musk's SNL appearance, Dogecoin hit an all-time high of about 73 cents, according to CoinGecko. But its price quickly retreated from that peak. As Musk appeared on the show, Dogecoin fell as much as 29.5% and dropped to 49 cents at one point. This was representative of the roller coaster run that Dogecoin had all year, most of which had to do with Musk. The Tesla and SpaceX CEO has been a consistent supporter of the meme-inspired cryptocurrency. Dogecoin's rally first began in February after a series of tweets from Musk, and since, he has continued to hype up the digital coin. El Salvador adopted Bitcoin as legal tender. In June, El Salvador passed a new law to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender, becoming the first country to do so. The law allows Bitcoin to be used as payment for goods and taxes in El Salvador. Businesses can price their goods in Bitcoin, and exchanges will not be subject to capital gains tax, CNBC reported. Ethereum launched EIP 1559 and prepared for the merge to ETH2. In August, a major upgrade to Ethereum went live. The upgrade, called London, included Ethereum Improvement Proposal, EIP 1559, which changed the way transaction fees, or gas fees, are estimated. It also started the reduction of Ether's supply. Additionally, Ethereum developers prepared for the network's upcoming shift to a proof-of-stake model through a number of upgrades throughout the year. In the proof-of-work model, miners must compete to solve complex puzzles in order to validate transactions. This model gets a lot of criticism for its environmental impact since it requires an extreme amount of computer power. In 2022, Ethereum shifted to a proof-of-stake model, where users can only validate transactions according to how many coins they hold, rather than the energy-intensive mining rigs used now. This move is part of the merge to Ethereum 2.0, or ETH2. ETH2 will be hugely impactful, since it will change the Ethereum infrastructure and ultimately make mining obsolete. Ethereum competitors earn market share. As demand for Ethereum, the most used blockchain network, surged this year, other projects emerged in an attempt to compete. Two include Avalanche and Solana, both of which launched in 2020 as platforms for smart contracts and the creation of decentralized applications. Each of their tokens, AVAX and SOL, respectively, jumped into the top 10 cryptocurrencies and earned market share among the rest. As a result of competitors such as these, the total value locked, TVL, on DeFi increased 7 times year-over-year, surpassing $200 billion, DappRadar reported. However, almost 60% of the TVL still remains on Ethereum. The first U.S. futures-based Bitcoin ETF launched. In October, the ProShares futures-based Bitcoin ETF made its market debut on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker BITO. The Bitcoin futures ETF tracks contracts that speculate on the future price of the digital asset, rather than the current or spot price of the cryptocurrency itself. As a result, the prices of the ETF and Bitcoin don't necessarily match. Nonetheless, the ProShares Bitcoin Futures ETF saw one of the biggest first days on record for ETFs, CNBC reported. The first Bitcoin upgrade in 4 years activated. Taproot, a highly anticipated upgrade to Bitcoin, went into effect in November. It was Bitcoin's first major upgrade since 2017. Taproot introduced what's called Schnorr signatures, which help Bitcoin transactions become more private and efficient, and less expensive. Most important, the upgrade better enables Bitcoin to execute smart contracts, or collections of code that carry out a set of instructions on the blockchain. Over $600 million was initially stolen in a record DeFi hack. In August, DeFi platform Poly Network was hacked. Initially, over $600 million was stolen. Experts said that the hacker was able to exploit an issue within the network's code. Though the hacker ultimately returned the stolen funds, it was one of the biggest cryptocurrency thefts ever. This kind of fraud was not uncommon throughout the year. Over $7.7 billion was stolen in cryptocurrency scams worldwide in 2021, according to a report by blockchain analytics firm Chainalysis. That's an 81% rise compared to 2020. Rug pulls, a type of scam where developers abandon a project and leave with investors' funds, became the go-to scam of the DeFi ecosystem, Chainalysis wrote in its report. In 2021, rug pulls accounted for over $2.8 billion stolen, or 37% of all cryptocurrency scam revenue, compared to 1% in 2020. Payment giants take notice. In a sign that cryptocurrencies are really beginning to cut through, some of the world's biggest payments companies embraced digital assets like never before in 2021. PayPal, which started allowing U.S. customers to buy, sell, and hold 4 cryptocurrencies in 2020, said demand had greatly exceeded expectations and began allowing millions of merchants to accept BTC, ETH, BCH, and LTC as a payment method. The company also rolled out its crypto offering to customers in the United Kingdom. Not to be outdone, Visa snapped up a $150,000 CryptoPunk and began allowing transactions in its payments network to be settled using USD Coin on the Ethereum blockchain. December also saw Visa launch a global crypto advisory service for banks and merchants. MasterCard has also been busy. Not only has it acquired the blockchain intelligence firm CipherTrace, but it has teamed up with Gemini, the exchange founded by Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss, to launch a credit card that offers instant rewards paid in Bitcoin and other digital assets. A partnership was also forged with Bakkt. Lawmakers focused on regulation as crypto lobbyists emerged. Throughout the past year, there's been a heightened focus on cryptocurrency regulation. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) Chairman Gary Gensler was outspoken in his push to create regulatory framework for the cryptocurrency space. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell and Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen both repeatedly warned against cryptocurrency, particularly stablecoins, calling the entire asset class volatile and speculative. In November, President Joe Biden signed the bipartisan infrastructure bill into law, which includes tax reporting provisions that apply to digital assets like cryptocurrency and NFTs. Cryptocurrency brokers, which are mainly exchanges, will be required to issue a 1099-like form disclosing who their customers are. Businesses and exchanges will also be required to report each time they receive over $10,000 in cryptocurrency. This caused an eruption of concern from the cryptocurrency community, and many lobbyists emerged, pushing for more clarity in the definition of a broker. China banned cryptocurrency again. In September, the People's Bank of China confirmed its continued crackdown on cryptocurrency. According to a Q&A on its website, the PBOC said that all crypto-related activities are illegal in China, including services such as trading digital assets, order matching, token issuance and derivatives. In addition, overseas crypto exchanges providing services in mainland China are also illegal, the PBOC said. China's renewed crackdown on Bitcoin mining throughout the year pushed the market elsewhere, and in October, data from the University of Cambridge showed that the U.S. became the #1 destination for Bitcoin miners. The data stated that 35.4% of Bitcoin's hash rate, which is the collective computing power of all miners, was in the U.S. as of July, overriding China for the first time. Cambridge also found that China's average monthly share of the global hash rate in July zeroed out, which was a major reversal from September 2020 when China captured about 67% of the market. This video covers the top 15 coins in 2021, ranked by market capitalization and use cases. We've talked about market capitalization, dominance, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, Dogecoin, Tether, BNB, Cardano, and Polkadot, as well as many other important coins in previous videos. As we've already covered many coins in the past, we'll concentrate on the other notable and popular coins of 2021. Uniswap Uni Use Case DeFi. Swap, earn, and build on the leading decentralized crypto trading protocol. Uniswap is a popular decentralized trading protocol, known for its role in facilitating automated trading of decentralized finance DeFi tokens. An example of an automated market maker, Uniswap launched in November 2018. But has gained considerable popularity this year thanks to the DeFi phenomenon and associated surge in token trading. Uniswap aims to keep token trading automated and completely open to anyone who holds tokens, while improving the efficiency of trading versus that on traditional exchanges. Uniswap creates more efficiency by solving liquidity issues with automated solutions, avoiding the problems which plagued the first decentralized exchanges. In September 2020, Uniswap went a step further by creating and awarding its own governance token, Uni, to past users of the protocol. This added both profitability potential and the ability for users to shape its future, an attractive aspect of decentralized entities. Aave Use Case DeFi. Aave Liquidity Protocol is a decentralized finance protocol that allows people to lend and borrow crypto. Lenders earn interest by depositing digital assets into specially created liquidity pools. Borrowers can then use their crypto as collateral to take out a flash loan using this liquidity. Aave, which means ghost in Finnish, was originally known as ETH Lend when it launched in November 2017, but the rebranding to Aave happened in September 2018. This helps explain why this token sticker is so different from its name. Aave provides holders with discounted fees on the platform, and it also serves as a governance token, giving owners a say in the future development of the protocol. Theta of Theta use case in media. Theta is a Web3 blockchain infrastructure-powered network purpose-built for video streaming, media and entertainment. Launched in March 2019, the Theta mainnet operates as a decentralized network in which users share bandwidth and computing resources on a peer-to-peer (P2P) basis. The project is advised by Steve Chan, co-founder of YouTube, and Justin Kan, co-founder of Twitch. Theta features its own native cryptocurrency token, and Theta, which performs various governance tasks within the network, and counts Google, Binance, Blockchain Ventures, Gumi, Sony Europe and Samsung as enterprise validators, along with a Guardian network of thousands of community-run Guardian nodes. Developers say that the project aims to shake up the video streaming industry in its current form. Centralization, poor infrastructure and high costs mean that end users often end up with a poor experience. Content creators likewise earn less revenue due to the barriers between them and end users. The Theta team has created a customer-centric business plan for their growing ecosystem of services focused on sports, music, TV, movies, and education. The list of Theta network partners includes video platforms like Samsung VR, Cinedim, Shout Factory, Pandora.tv, Play Labs, and Theta.tv. Terra Classic, LUNC, use case, DeFi. Terra is a blockchain protocol that uses fiat-pegged stablecoins to power price-stable global payments systems. According to its white paper, Terra combines the price stability and wide adoption of fiat currencies with the censorship resistance of Bitcoin and offers fast and affordable settlements. Luna Classic is the first native token of Terra blockchain released in August 2018. Luna Classic existed before the launch of the new chain, now branded Terra, Luna, and works with the original code of the Terra ecosystem. The main function that the native token performed was to absorb the price deviation of the algorithmic stablecoin, UST. The price of the UST stablecoin was pegged to the US dollar by minting and burning UST tokens to balance the supply and demand of the coin. In May 2022, UST lost its peg and collapsed. The UST stablecoin algorithm created trillions of Luna tokens, fell into a hyperinflationary spiral, and reduced the value of the original Luna token by 99%. In May 2022, a series of liquidations and bank runs from investors pulling their funds out following the wormhole hack and saw UST Classic depeg to as low as $0.044. Luna Classic crashed over 99% from over $80. UST Classic never recovered its peg. Filecoin, FIL, use case, storage. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. The project raised $205 million in an initial coin offering, ICO, in 2017. And initially planned a launch date for mid-2019. However, the launch date for the Filecoin mainnet was pushed back until block 148,888, which is expected in mid-October 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network where users pay for data storage and distribution services in Filecoin. Filecoin is open protocol and backed by a blockchain that records commitments made by the network's participants, with transactions made using FIL, the blockchain's native currency. The blockchain is based on both proof of replication and proof of spacetime. Solana, SOL, use case, smart contracts. Solana is a highly functional open-source project that banks on blockchain technology's permissionless nature to provide decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. While the idea and initial work on the project began in 2017, Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation with headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. The Solana protocol is designed to facilitate decentralized app, or DApp, creation. It aims to improve scalability by introducing a proof of history, or POH, consensus combined with the underlying proof of stake, or POS, consensus of the blockchain. Because of the innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana enjoys interest from small-time traders and institutional traders alike. A significant focus for the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance accessible on a larger scale. Solana has received much praise for its speed and performance, and has even been tipped as a rival that can compare to Ethereum and challenge the dominant smart contract platform. However, the network has been plagued by repeated outages that have impaired its price and aspirations to be the Visa of crypto. Furthermore, its ecosystem is accused of favoring venture capital investors with unfair tokenomics. Internet Computer, ICP, use case, platform. World Computer, no limits. The Internet Computer is the first world computer, and is unlike anything else in existence today. The network hosts tamper-proof and unstoppable code at unlimited scale that runs with efficiency comparable to traditional software, hosted on centralized IT platforms, such as cloud services. This blockchain code has gained essential new capabilities, and can securely serve web experiences directly into web browsers, process and store vast amounts of data, interact with Web 2.0 infrastructure, and run transactions on other blockchains, enabling trustless multi-chain. Almost all online systems and services can now be built fully on-chain. The end-to-end decentralized future of all compute has begun, and Web3 is booming on limitless and climate-friendly world computer blockchain. Binance USD, BUSD use case, stablecoin. Binance USD, BUSD, is a one-to-one USD-backed stablecoin issued by Binance, in partnership with Paxos, approved and regulated by the New York State Department of Financial Services, NYDFS. The BUSD monthly audit report can be viewed from the official website. Launched on September 5, 2019, BUSD aims to meld the stability of the dollar with blockchain technology. It is a digital fiat currency, issued as ERC-20 and supports BEP-2 and BEP-20. BUSD is 100% backed by reserves held in either or both fiat cash and dedicated omnibus accounts at insured U.S. banks and U.S. Treasury bills, including through repurchase agreements and money market funds invested in U.S. Treasury bills. Polygon, Matic, use case, scaling. Bringing the world to Ethereum. Polygon, formerly Matic Network, believes in Web3 for all. Polygon is a decentralized Ethereum scaling platform that enables developers to build scalable user-friendly dApps with low transaction fees without ever sacrificing on security. Nothing will change for the existing ecosystem built on the Plasma POS chain. With Polygon, new features are being built around the existing proven technology to expand the ability to cater to diverse needs from the developer ecosystem. Polygon boasts of up to 65,000 transactions per second on a single side chain, along with a respectable block confirmation time of less than 2 seconds. The framework also allows for the creation of globally available decentralized financial applications on a single foundational blockchain. Avalanche, AVAX, use case, smart contracts. The Avalanche Foundation launches an incentive program focused on accelerating the adoption and growth of its novel subnets, the premier scaling solution for Web3 dApps. Avalanche is a Layer 1 blockchain that functions as a platform for decentralized applications and custom blockchain networks. It is one of Ethereum's rivals, aiming to unseat Ethereum as the most popular blockchain for smart contracts. It aims to do so by having a higher transaction output of up to 6,500 transactions per second, while not compromising scalability. After its mainnet launch in 2020, Avalanche has worked on developing its own ecosystem of dApps and DeFi. Different Ethereum-based projects such as SushiSwap and TrueUSD have integrated with Avalanche. Furthermore, the platform is constantly working on improving interoperability between its own ecosystem and Ethereum, like through the development of bridges. Shiba Inu, SHIB, a use case and memes. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog. That dog was a Shiba Inu, and this dog inspired millions of people around the world to invest money into tokens with the dog's image on it. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is the dogecoin killer and is listed on their own ShibaSwap, a DEX. Shiba Inu coin was created anonymously in August 2020 under the pseudonym Ryoshi. Ryoshi says about himself that he is a nobody and not important, and that the efforts to unmask his identity, even if successful, would be underwhelming. This meme coin quickly gained speed and value as a community of investors was drawn in by the cute charm of the coin paired with headlines and tweets from personalities like Elon Musk and Vitalik Buterin. Vitalik Buterin was long believed to be the originator of Shiba Inu, but denied such rumors on the Lex Fridman podcast on June 5, 2021. On September 17, 2021, Coinbase, the largest US-based crypto exchange, listed Shiba Inu on their platform. This news caused Shiba Inu price to rise by over 40% in the following 2 days, bringing the meme dog token into the spotlight again. If you want to learn more about the other cryptocurrencies that are not mentioned in this video, don't forget to check out our previous videos through the link up above or down below in the description. Thanks for watching. Please support us by subscribing to this channel. Turn on all notifications so you don't miss new cryptodata videos. If you have any questions, please comment below. Tell us your ideas about the topics and indicators you like to monitor with infographic or data visualization techniques.